Hello, everyone now. Today going to about four important topic it el describe the people around family members, appearance, personality and profession, explain acts on why explain example you use it in your conversion. Listar why family member English we were like father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter, uncle, and cousin, grandfather, grandmother. For example, my mother is very keen into brother, newlet move apparence, the summit look, oxy, we describe height, body type, age, add of footer. Some user word tire short, screen feed chubby, long age or air, strike air, pro edges, blow edges, green edges, Joe all beautiful and some. For example, my sister is there could my grandfather is gray green ages. The personal describe no human and braids are common work. Frame food serious are working is screw pattern on a skin break. For example, Mida is bad are working patterns. My best friend is funny creative. The Lysopi profession, word to wax on the line, super right, teacher, dog, engineer notes, soldier, dry, police office, student. For example, my mother is teacher, my uncle is driver. No comment for topic for description. My own nose, cheat, show, and black eye. She's very keen, patience, it be born. Born. My brother is student, is talented, is funny, very creative. Screen people work on AJ's job about full time with are wax daylight, hot a bite, and why to do the practicing with family members and make different conversion than your watching and your nice next thing.